Hello, precious. So we are going to talk about music, okay? So can you see that I have written some sentences here, okay, on the lines of a book. The book that you write on at school, you have lines, okay, and spaces on that book, okay, where you write, okay? But in music, okay, we write music on special lines, okay? The lines on your book, there are many, plenty of them from the top to the bottom. But when it comes to music, we write music on, different kind of patterned lines and spaces, okay? And the lines are usually 5. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can see there are 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we also have spaces in between the lines. Can you see the spaces? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So these are 5 horizontal lines. Okay. Now, horizontal goes from left to right. Okay. Horizontal. Okay. So a horizontal line goes from left to right. And then a vertical line goes from up to down. Vertical, okay? We don't use this one for music, but we use this one for music, horizontal, okay? So you know the meaning of that one, all right? So these lines and spaces that you see, they are called staff. S-T-A-F-F, staff, okay? So a staff consists of 5 lines and what? 4 spaces. And we write music on the staff, okay? We write music on the staff, just like you write, your essays, composition, and everything on your, your book, the lines and spaces of your book. We write music on the staff. And let me show you what staff looks like. Let me quickly show you. When you have music on the staff, it's going to look like this. So can you see that now? This is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Do, do, so, so, la, la, so. Fa, fa, mi, mi, re, re, do. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. So you can see now. This, you can see the staff. Count the lines and confirm that there are 5. And then count the spaces also and confirm that there are 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the spaces 1, 2, 3, 4. So a staff consists of 5 lines and 4 spaces, and we write music on the staff. Okay. So next, I'm going to tell you the different types of staff that we have, and you can even see them here. Now you see this sign here. Can you see this sign? You know that it's a treble clef, this sign, okay? And then this one is a bass clef, okay? And we have to learn how to draw them, okay? That's what we are going to do next, because during your exam, they will tell you you have to draw them, and then you need to know how to draw them. So let me move to the next video, all right? And then I believe you know what these notes are, okay? These are crochet notes, This one is not shaded, it's a minim note. These ones that are shaded, they are called crochet notes. We are going to talk about them later. I saw them in your notes, so we'll talk about them.